So we are starting the last chapter according to your new syllabus. So the name of the chapter is improvement in food resources. Okay, basically what is that? We have studied regarding this from the class 6 to class 8. Means in a small portion we have studied about it. Okay, so first we will see what is food, what is resource, and how we can improve it. Okay, so resource means anything that is useful to you. Okay, it means anything that is useful to you. Means we are talking about the human being. So if anything on the earth it is useful to human being, it is known as resource. So food is a resource to you because it is giving you energy. And how we can, why we need to improve the food resource, you have to understand that why we need to improve, because the population is increasing, so we have to improve in the number of the crop also, quality also, and means how we are managing, we have to protect it also. Okay, so first, what is the food for you? Food is of two type for you. It is either plant or animal. First, what is food? Food is a group of nutrients, okay, whatever you are getting from the plants and animal. Okay, so food is of two type of for you. First is, okay, basically what is the idea of the chapter idea is mostly theoretical, so you have to learn whatever is given, how to improve the food. The chapter is about how to improve the food. So we will talk about what is the procedure to improve the food by the plant, and second, what is the procedure to improve the food by the animal, and both are given one means different name. And like plant, how we will improve the plant food, the processes, the crop production, and how we will improve this is known as animal husbandry. So we will improve crop production, then we will improve the animal husbandry. Okay, so plant food, the process to get the plant food on the earth is known as crop production. And how we are getting the animal food means we will go to the animal and we will take care of the animal, then we will cut it, or we will take the whatever, silk. If silkworm is there, then we will grow the mulberry plant. That is also known as animal husbandry. If we will take the, if we want the chicken, means we need the egg. So what we will do, we will open the poultry farm. So whatever you are doing inside that poultry farm, it is known as animal husbandry. And crop production means what is crop production? When you will go to any agricultural field, whatever you are doing inside the crop production, all the steps, 7 steps are there, we have already done in the class 8. Okay, from sowing to harvesting, what are the steps? So these steps are known as crop production, and whatever you will do here, it is known as animal husbandry. So whatever you are doing inside one closed space or open space for getting the plant food, it is known as crop production. If you are getting the animal food, it is known as animal husbandry. So now basically the thing is that they both are coming under one roof. Okay, so the basic name is agriculture. Agriculture is not about only plant, it is about plant and animal both. Okay, so first you see what is I will post the notes on the I will send you the notes, so you can go and you can check the blogger. So on the blogger I will post all the notes, so you can get them. If you can understand that, just first look at the notes, keep it with you, and then watch the video, then you will be able to understand. Okay, first agriculture. What is agriculture? It is biology. Okay, it is a branch. Biology is having so many branches. Okay, so it is also a branch of the biology. And what it is dealing with, what is under the agriculture? Agriculture, it is having the plant cultivation. Plant cultivation means crop production. Okay, that we have done here, and rearing of the animal. Okay, so two things are there in the agriculture. One is plant cultivation, means one is crop production, second is animal husbandry. So both the things that is given in this chapter, we are dividing this chapter into two parts. First is crop production, second is animal husbandry, and both are under agriculture. So they can ask you the definition of agriculture. So what is agriculture? It is a branch of biology that includes two processes. So two main processes, one is crop production, second is animal husbandry. Okay, so see what is, now we will see what we have to deal in this chapter. First is crop production, second is animal husbandry. So crop production is a 7-step process to grow the crop. And what is crop? Crop is, if you will go to the field of wheat, what you will see? You will see same type of the plant. Okay, so what is a crop? Crop is the plants which are of same type, and they are growing in the huge number at a single place. Okay, so that is a field, you will call it as wheat field. So all the plant are also of wheat they are in more number, and they are at same place. So three things are there. They are of same type, they are grown in large number, and they are at same place. Now we will come to the animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? First you will take care of, first you will collect so many animals. If you want to like do the business of poultry, so what you will do, you will take at least 3 or 4 chickens. Okay, then male and female, then the breeding will be there, okay, reproduction will be there, they will produce more chickens. Okay, and then they will produce more eggs. So egg will be there and the chicken will be there. So you are getting two things there. So you have to prepare, like first you have to get the animals. So you have to take care of them, you have to feed them, and then they will give you the production. So production and care of them is domestic element. Domestic elements means what? You can't use this animal husbandry term for wild animals. Wild animals means what? Whatever they are living in the jungle. Okay, we are domestic. First we will take those animals only which are like living around our society, inside our society, not in the jungles. So they are not wild, you are keeping them as a pet. So your pet means you will take care of them, you will give them the food, then in return of the food they will give you something. Okay, now first part we will divide it into two parts. So part number 1 is crop production. Okay, so first, what is crop production? Okay, why there is a need of crop production, why you need to do the crop production, why you are like doing 7-step process. Okay, sowing you are doing, then you are like weeding, then you are adding the manure and fertilizer. Okay, so many things you are doing. Why you are doing this? Because the crop is giving you the nutrients. That's why you need to do the crop production. Second thing, how can we increase the crop production? So first part is of the plant food for you. How you can increase the plant food for you? There is we have to increase the crop yield. Yield means what? The amount that is produced. Okay, so whatever amount is produced in a field, so this is agriculture field, this is like a field in which you are growing the wheat. Okay, so you are growing the wheat. So how you can like increase the crop production? If there will be more number of the like grains, you need the wheat grains. No, if you are going at the time of harvesting, means at the time when the crop will mature, the wheat will mature, so you will go and you will collect all the wheat seeds. If there is more number of the seeds, then you will say that yield is more. Yield means what? The amount is more. So there are some procedures how you can increase the crop yield. In your book there is the mention of 3 ways, 3 methods how you can increase the crop yield. First part of this chapter is crop production. Second is this crop production. Okay, how you can increase the crop production? By increasing the crop yield. And how you can increase the crop yield? So in the examination, if the question will come, how many ways are there to increase the crop production or crop production? They can say crop production or they can say crop yield. Both are the same thing. Okay, if you will increase crop yield, automatically crop production will increase. So they will ask the question, how you can increase the crop production or crop yield? So you will say 3 methods. First is crop variety, second is crop production, third is crop protection. Protect. Okay, so variety, production and protection. So first is improvement, second is also improvement, third is management.